Hey guys, Tony here. I do want to say thank you again because we actually just crossed the threshold of 6,100 followers, which is absolutely insane. I can't believe I started this channel like 2 months ago, dude, and I already have 6,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I think we just crossed over 40,000 followers on TikTok, which is absolutely phenomenal to me. Like I never thought that people would be that interested in what I had to say, or at least like charts, the algo trading, all that stuff, right? So super thankful to every single one of you for keep for the support, and just kind of like watching all my videos and stuff, so it's super cool. I actually just got monetized on YouTube like a week and a half ago, right? So if you guys can go to my YouTube and like start watching a bunch of videos so I can start doing some YOLO plays on other stocks and stuff, man. But seriously though, thank you guys so much. I appreciate the love to everybody, all the comments, everybody, for the complete support. And as of right now, we are sitting at 6,100 followers, which is absolutely insane, and I still can't believe it, right? I'm surprised I have more than one follower on any platform. So super excited for what this year is gonna bring, as well as other things. I do have a couple projects set up for YouTube and TikTok, just to kind of like make the videos a little bit better, maybe talk a little bit more, maybe do I don't know what's gonna happen, right? A big part of it is you guys told me to start a YouTube channel. So if you guys want to see anything from me, definitely keep letting me know what you guys would want to see, as far as how to trade videos, how to do TA, algo stuff, more unusual call activity. I know you guys have been making a shit ton of money off of unusual call activity, the series that I started, which is absolutely insane. I actually just started playing the unusual option activities like a week ago, and so far every single one has hit, right? So it's so super cool. But other than that, thank you guys so much. Appreciate all the love. Have a great weekend, everybody.